quickly. Nobody knows. Ah, it's mosquito hour. Do not sweat. They will find you. They will eat you alive. Ugh. I don't seem to like this stuff too much. I got a jack under there. Can you get that under the pan? Because this is in, that jack's in the way of the wheels.
There we go. Ronex. Good use for Ronex.
Rescue.
It's a long way around.
I don't care. I'm tired and sweaty and I'm getting bit. Okay. That holds the Romex out of the way. Alright.
Question. Are there alignment pins?
Yeah.
Okay. There, you're there, you're there. I think the bolts will go in.
Yeah.
Do you have a ratchet?
Now it ought to be in there. We're on the table beside you.
Could be enough thing in the tray.
Alright. See what it is. They're in plain sight.
Oh, if you're tall. I didn't put those up there. I can't even see up there. Oh, man. 9/16 bucks.
And if you got a ratcheting one, that'd be easier.
Nine 16 ratcheting box, unknown brand.
Boy, you got any shorter.
Oh, you're picky. Shorter.
Well, you come down here and do it. See how picky you get all of a sudden. This don't even fit.
You know I'll come up with the tool because I have everything.
You know what the problem is?
Now there's another problem.
Crankly doesn't give you enough clearance to put the big wrench on it. And there's a mosquito right there where I'm trying to work.
There's one there too.
Get out of here.
Mosquito biting a heater hose.
Got to fumigate this whole place. Wow. It's bad.
You know, is that bolted up tight enough we can let this whole thing down?
Well,
Because that will give you more room. Yeah, maybe. Because it's up really close to the firewall.
yes, go ahead.
Let it down? Okay, that means I gotta let the jack down as well. You ready?
No.
No? Okay.
I don't want to crack an ear out.
Yeah, I understand.
It probably is not that kind of deal right now, but it's just like.
Yeah, it's not crooked. You made it up real nice. Nice.
Out of my face. Jeez.
Tell me when.
Yep. Go ahead.
Yep.
Go ahead.
What the hell was that?
I didn't plan to do that.
You came down fast.
I did not plan to do that. Seems to be a motor in the car now.
Will it get out? Will the jack come out? I mean, will the engine noise come out?
I don't know, you might have to raise. You might
Okay.
have to give me a little bit of a jack because I'm sitting on the.
Okay.
There you go. I can't get it the other way, but
Yeah.
I thought if we pushed the car in, that then no more mosquitoes would come in than they're already in here.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the house and rest. No, not really. I'm gonna go to the house and get the radiator and bring it up here and see how it fits. Because it's a modine replacement, but it's one number off, but I think it's the same radiator with a different bracket. So I just want to make sure it's gonna fit.
We'll drill some holes. I've got a bunch of different.
Hole drillers?
No, I got a bunch of different radiator hoses.
Okay, yeah, I think the car takes a number 254. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
The car from my radiator days, I remember it takes a number 254. And I have a number 255, which is for Slant 6 pickup of the same years. And I think one bracket's different. And I don't think it's all that much different. So maybe it'll just make it work.
It'll work.
So I'm going to go do that. Get it.
All right, so there you have it. As complicated as it gets. There she's in. All that preparation for just for that. Blop.